Yes, hello Kelly, this is Ray, and in this video I'm going to go over the new website layout. And I want you to keep in mind that everything as far as the changes to the layout, the content of the website is on a temporary domain. I haven't changed anything on your website, and I don't plan on moving anything over until you review the changes, say that you like it, and then within a matter of an hour I can move everything over to your website. I wanted to do this so that way your website wouldn't experience any downtime in the process. So like I said, the actual layout to your website has been untouched. I basically cloned your website, or at least a framework of it, and I did all of the makeover on the temporary domain. I did, however, set up the affiliate program on your website, and the reason I did that is because the features of the affiliate program had to be done on the website that the actual products reside in. That's just because of the coding. So that's the only thing I've added to your website. Now, this is your current website right now. Let's go over it. I just want to go over some of the changes I made to the framework and the layout. Your website right now does not have a link to the actual ebook page. Right now you have just coming soon. You do have it linked, however you don't have anything prompting the website visitor to click on it. Some people might not know that if you click on it you go to the guide because you have coming soon here. Also, you have this form, which is pretty to be blunt, it's pretty ugly looking the way it is here. It seems like a portion of it is cut off. You have a shadowed edge here, then you don't have the other edge on the right side showing. Plus you have all of this dead area here. It just doesn't look formatted very well. And then you have this Facebook stream actually mixed into the content when it should be in the side area of this page. So I just want to go over some of the changes I did to the layout. This is your website as it stands. This is the new layout. This is the home page. This is what I changed as far as what this page currently looks like on your website. I went off the example that you provided. If you recall, the example of what the other gentleman made for a mock-up was very much similar to this, and I just copied it. You mentioned you really liked the bold headline, however you did not like the shadowing I had in the first draft, so I removed the shadowing. You can see that I have the book pretty prominently displayed here. I have a call to action, click here for the new must-have guide, whereas here it's smaller and it doesn't have any call to action like a click here. So I've changed that. I've also slightly rounded the edges to your picture instead of making it circular. Before I had an oval cropping. You said you didn't like that, so I just very slightly rounded the edges just to make it look a little bit better. To me, frankly, it seems like it's just slapped on the page here. Also, I did away with the oval shaped picture. I went ahead with the square picture like you have. The only slight difference is a very small black border. If you don't like that, it's very easy through the visual editor, the WordPress backend, to take that border off. You already are very familiar with WordPress, so just keep in mind, with that being said, anything that you don't like you can very easily change because it is the WordPress platform. That has not changed at all. Also, if you look here, I've created another form, and the form that I have here matches the overall sidebar framework in opposed to this standard Aweber form you have. In my opinion, this one looks much better. Now, you can very easily make this larger, change the color of the text. You can put stuff in this area here if you like. You can, again, with the WordPress backend, change the content, the text that I have here. But if you notice, this Aweber form matches your site much better than this one does. So again, it's up to you if you want to use this or not. If not, you can easily insert this older form that you have on the original site in its place. In my opinion, it just looks much better on the website. But again, it's up to you. It's very easy to change back and forth in the dashboard. Also, I've taken your Facebook stream and I've put it in the sidebar area, whereas here you have it, I don't know if this was done by mistake or not, you have it here in the content area. So I've moved it. Again, you can notice that these are very slight changes that overall make the website look much cleaner. Also, if you scroll down, I went ahead and added just a little graphic here, nothing too big. And I thought that it brought some attention to this bottom area, because it seems like the website kind of just loses some pizzazz by not having pictures on the bottom portion. You have picture here on the top, but you haven't added anything here, so I just added a picture. Again, very easy to delete. I have the same content that you have here. I've just made it a little bit larger. As you can see here, I've just made it a little larger. And also I have another picture here as well, whereas here you just leave off, there is no picture. In my opinion, having a picture next to the testimonials looks very nice, but again, it's up to you if you want to not have a picture like you do here. You'll notice that all of the pages have these share icons. Now, if I'm a visitor to your website and I have a Facebook account, I can click and add your page to my Facebook account. I'm going to close that out here. Or I can go to share this and I can put whatever if I have a Twitter account, I can tweet this page to my friends. I can email this page to my friends. I can do a Google Plus of this page to my Google Circle. So I've added social buttons to the bottom of every page, along with a printer-friendly icon. If you click on this, you'll get a printer-friendly version of the page. These are items that you didn't have on your website right now. This is your current website, and again, you don't have those user-friendly features, so I've added those here. Again, if you don't like that, as you're well aware, in the WordPress dashboard, when I move everything over, you'll easily be able to delete any of these items, these extra touches that I added. Now, the About Us page, let's go ahead and go to that page, and we'll go ahead and go to that page here on your current website as well. You can see everything is the same as far as the sidebar. All I've done is change the picture. I've cropped it a little bit. Again, in my opinion, in my experience, it looks a little bit better, but you can change it back if you like. And also you have the social icons here. Now, if we go to my book, this is the main meat of the website. Your main focus is the book. Look very closely on the new website. When you hover your mouse over my book, you'll see a version 2. I went the extra step for you, and I made a second version of this page with a slight difference, and that difference is a graphical headline, a little bit more pizzazz to it. But it's up to you if you want to use this version. It's very easy. If you like this version better, you can delete this other one, or if you like the first version better, the original, you can delete this second tab here. And you know how to do that already through the dashboard. But I just wanted to give you two options. Now, if you scroll down on either of these pages, you'll notice another touch that I added. I added an Order Now button here. I've noticed on your website, if we go to it, you don't have an Order Now button. So what I've done is I've added an Order Now button here, and this will go to your store. Now, I also noticed that you have View Sample Pages here, and I did the same thing, but I just added a slight touch to it, and the touch is if you click on this graphic, and I think it really will convert much better for you because it's a little more eye-catching. If you click on it, it will open up in a separate window. So I've added that extra touch for you, and pretty much everything else is the same. Again, if you go to your website as it is now, you'll notice everything else I've kept the same. But you'll see that you don't have a call to action here as I do in this new version, and instead of having simply just a text link, view sample pages, I just added a graphical touch, which I think will convert better for you. And I still have your form here as well. So you can see the changes that I made were very slight, just to add a little more uniform to your website and make it look a little more pleasing to the eye. Now if we go to Don't Fall Down, you'll notice, and if we go to Don't Fall Down on your website as well, you'll notice that my Don't Fall Down page is pretty much the same. I'm just bringing a little attention to the headline, and I have a final call to action on the bottom of the page which leads to your book. Again, the purpose of the website is to sell your book, and I noticed on your Don't Fall Down page you don't leave off with anything. You don't leave off with a call to action. So I've just made a slight change with the headline. If you don't like it, as you're well aware, you can revert back to the original version if you like. But the only difference is this headline, which I think looks a little better, and I'm leaving with a call to action of click here, order the guide now. You're not doing that on this web page, on this original version. Now if we go to services on your website and we go to services on this website here, you'll see that it's pretty much the same. You can see here that my version of the services page, the only difference is that I added this graphic here. Again, I think by adding a little bit more graphics to the website, it makes it stand out a little better, whereas in this page you don't have a graphic. So you can see that the only difference on my version of your services page is that I have the graphic on top. That's the only difference. Now again, if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see a version 2. What I did is I just went that extra step and I did a second version without the graphic. You can decide which one you want to use. They'll both be transferred over. Now if we go to local class and workshop schedule, you'll see that it is the same on both websites. This is your version and this is the new one, so it's pretty much the same. Now if we go to the affiliate program, you'll or actually let's go over the blog first. Now if you click on blog, you'll see the first version is this version here, which you said you didn't like. What this version does is it basically just displays the titles of your latest articles or posts to your blog. If you go to the second version, blog version number 2, you'll see I set it up a different way on this version, where you see an actual excerpt of each entry on your blog with a read more button, and this version has the look and feel of the very original blog setup that WordPress is very familiar for. A lot of people are more familiar with this version where you get an excerpt of each of the latest posts or articles added to your blog, along with a date and a read more button. So you can decide which one you want to use. On the sidebar you have also a menu of all the latest blog entries on the sidebar as well, with from the blog leading to all the different articles. So this second version has a much more traditional WordPress layout than the first version does. And I did it that way because you said you didn't like this version that much. So I have two options for you. You can decide which you want to use. Now if we go to the affiliate program, this is fully set up already. If you click on the affiliate program, you'll be taken to the actual affiliate center already fully set up and operational on your website. You can read about this affiliate program. You can very easily change the text here if you like, Kelly. It's simple to do. Now if you want to sign up, simply click on sign up, and I encourage you to go ahead and sign up yourself as an affiliate, see how it works, read the confirmation email that comes to you. I'm not going to walk you through this because I already actually signed up as a user. But I just wanted to show you that this is the sign up form, and once you sign up you can click here to log in. Now I've already set up a user account. So I'm going to log in. I've already signed up as an affiliate to test all of the features. Now when you sign up as an affiliate, you'll be emailed a welcome letter, and this email is something that you can edit, but you'll be emailed a welcome letter welcoming you to the affiliate program, and you'll have your link. This is the link that people, when they sign up to your affiliate program, this is the link that people will send their traffic to or put in their emails when they send their invitations to their friend or their list. Now when you log into your affiliate center, you can go here and click on ads and copy and paste ads that you'll have to set up yourself. You didn't hire me to do any ads creation for you, but you can create banners if you like and upload them in this area. That way your affiliates have some banners or text links that they can use. They can also go to their payment history and look at all their payment history. Of course, as a new affiliate program, there is no payment history yet. You can go to sales and look at their history of sales. So as an affiliate, I have all of these tools available to me. And you as the administrator can log into your dashboard and look at all of the activity of your affiliates. Now if we go home, again, this is what the affiliate sees on their end. This is the link that they send people to. Now take a close look here. Total clicks 0, number of sales 0. Right now I have the commission level for affiliates at 25%. It's very easy for you to update this and change it to whatever you like through the WordPress dashboard, and I'll show you in a tutorial how to do that. But once somebody clicks on this link and they go to your website, okay, once someone clicks on this link and goes to your website, if we go here and click refresh, you'll see that now this has been updated. You can see total clicks is now 1. And if somebody goes to your store and orders something, and I've already done this a few days ago, if you recall, you got a confirmation that a test order was done on your website. I set this up as a $1 purchase. I did it just as a test to test out the affiliate program, and it worked perfectly. I'm going to walk you through it one more time. Now we're going to go here. You'll see checkout. We'll click checkout. Quantity is 1, and we'll go ahead and do a purchase. Now I've gone ahead and ordered. I did a test order for $1, as you can see here. Now if we go back to my affiliate screen, this is me logged in as an affiliate. If I hit refresh, now you'll see that I have 1 sale to my credit as an affiliate, and I've earned 25%, which is 25 cents so far. So now you can see, Kelly, that the affiliate program is fully set up. It's operational 100%. And here's a sneak peek in your back end. This is the back end area of your affiliate program. If you go to manage affiliates, you'll see that you now can look at the activity of your affiliates. You have 2 affiliates, and these affiliates are both my accounts that I've set up to test this feature. If we go to sales data, you'll also see the sales activity of your affiliates. You can see that so far there's been 2 affiliate sales. You can look at click-throughs. So there's a lot of neat features of this affiliate script that I've set up, and I'll send you a tutorial video once we move this over of how all of this works. But I just wanted to give you a quick snapshot to show you that the affiliate program is now fully set up, and you have a neat area here where you can track all of your affiliates, manage your payouts, change your commission structure, whatever the case may be. So that's pretty much it. Now you see that your website is completely done, and please review the Please review the versions where I have version 1 and 2, such as my book, and also the services and the blog. Tell me which one you like, or you can choose which one you like yourself when I move things over and delete the other. But as you can see, the new version of the website has a much cleaner layout. The form is in the proper place. The form matches the rest of the website, whereas your current one doesn't. And also I've made several touches that you asked for. If everything is to your liking, I can move everything over, create your tutorial videos, and you are set. I await your feedback. Thank you for your patience, and this is the end of this video.